check this out. All I did was stick a box next to these bees that are on the ground in the parking lot, and instantly, I mean, as soon as I put it down, they just started marching in there. Isn't that awesome? Got a few frames of John Combe in there, so there's a bee smell, but I mean, look at him. Who gave the signal? You see some bees by the entrance that are flapping their wings and giving the signal, everyone, come in here. I wonder if I can see the queen, because she's probably in the middle there somewhere. I have no veil on or anything, I just got my suit on. Look at all those bees showing everybody the way. How sweet it is. Never seen them swarm on the ground before. A few buzz in my head here. There's the queen. Check it out. Sweet. Nice. Just haven't got the message yet.